Today, I have a basket full of different types of crochet stitch markers to share with you. Come take a closer look. I'll show you pros and cons of each. These are stitch markers you can buy from the market. If you don't have these, don't worry. I'll show you many more options. This is a normal hair clip, and it's really easy to use. You can even use 4 of these to mark the corners of your project. Pipe cleaners work well too, but be careful when removing them because their edges aren't very smooth. This is a hairpin clip, usually used for hairstyles. It's good as a stitch marker, but it's a bit loose and not very tight. These come in gift packages and can be used as stitch markers, but the edges aren't smooth, so they might damage your stitches. These you can find in electronics accessories packaging. They're an ideal cheap option for stitch markers because the edges are smooth and they're easy to twist on and off. This tiny one works well for slightly thicker or harder yarns. I found this one on an old clothes rack. It's also good for harder yarns. This is my daughter's hair clip. See, it works too. However, this one is not safe for your fingers or your stitches, so I don't recommend it. If you don't have any stitch markers, just use a piece of yarn in a different color. Rubber bands can also be used as stitch markers. These are my favorites in my hand, but I mostly use this tight hair clip because it has safety dots on the edges. The others can take more time to remove when twisted. That's it for today. Do you use any other types of stitch markers? What's your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.